The roots of the equation x raised to 2 by 3 plus x raised to 1 by 3 minus 2 equals to 0 are. Means we have to factorize this. Now this problem seems to be difficult, but it's not so. What you do is make this x raised to 1 by 3 inside the bracket. So it becomes x raised to 1 by 3 the whole square, right? This one plus x raised to 1 by 3, this as it is, minus 2 equals to 0. Now let x raised to 1 by 3 equals to y. So the equation becomes what now? Y square plus y minus 2. Now it's easier. So plus 2 minus 1. Y square plus 2y minus 1y minus 2 equals to 0. Take y common, y into y plus 2 on both the sides. Right, this you have studied it in 8th, I think so. Yeah, 8th. Yeah. So you will be able to solve it. So y plus 2 on both sides. So y minus 1 into y plus 2 equals to 0. Therefore y equals to 0, y minus 1 equals to 0, or y plus 2 equals to 0, either of these two. Therefore y equals to 1 or y equals to minus 2. But what is y? X raised to 1 by 3. Therefore x raised to 1 by 3 equals to 1 or x raised to 1 by 3 equals to minus 2. Right? Therefore now cube on both the sides. So x equals to 1 or x equals to minus 2 cube. Right? So minus 8. So the answers are either x is 1 or minus 8. Both the answers are possible. So the roots are 1 comma minus 8. Two numbers whose sum is 12 and the absolute value of whose difference is 4 are the roots of equation. Which equation among these four? See, these are the equations.